Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make some tamarind balls. Now the tamarind is actually a fruit and is native to Africa, but it grows in other tropical regions like India, Pakistan, the Caribbean, of course. So the tamarind is surrounded by this hard shell which you break, and then this fruit comes out. Now this was one of my favorite snacks as a child growing up in Dominica during recess time. Tamarind balls was the thing. It does tend to have a sour taste if it's coming directly from the Caribbean, but the one that I got from the Caribbean supermarket here is the sweet type. So let me show you the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using half a cup of granulated sugar, white sugar. I have 2 cups here of brown sugar. I have half a teaspoon of salt, because this type is the sweet one, so I do want a slight tangy taste attached to it, so I'm using salt in there to balance that off. So let's get to it. Now I am going to be using gloves, and I'm going to start with my half a tablespoon of salt, followed by my sugar. Now some people add rum to it, but if you're doing it for children, please don't add rum, okay? Please. I'm going to start to massage it in there. Now in the process, some of the seeds most likely are going to come out. You can just take them out as you go along. So I added half of my sugar, my brown sugar at first. I'm going to add the other half of my sugar. Continue to massage it into there. See, some of the seeds are starting to come out. Now some persons add a little bit of water, like a teaspoon of water. I take the corners and I just fold it in. More seeds. So there we have it. I'm gonna start rolling them up into individual balls. So in a plate, I'm gonna pour out some of that white sugar. And just spread it out. And I'm gonna start cutting up the balls into small pieces and placing them into this plate. I'm gonna start by spooning it out what size I want. Rolling it into a ball. Place it in the sugar. Roll it. Give it a roll again. Roll it in that sugar again. One last roll. And roll it into that sugar again. So I give it 3 rolls, and then that's it. And here you have it, a tamarind ball.
Roach Beats.